Hello, this is Mr. Allison with How to Use Canvas, and today I'm going to show you where to find your syllabus on Canvas, as well how to check your grades on Canvas. So the first thing I want to do is show you where you'll find your classroom syllabus. So whenever you sign in and you click on the course, again, it's going to take you to the home page. And then if you look on the left side of the page, you see the syllabus there, so go ahead and click on syllabus. And again, here's your syllabus. Again, how I like to do it is I like to go ahead and post the document, the syllabus Word document here, as well as copy and paste it. Now, if you want to actually see the document and view it without downloading it, all you have to do is click on this icon here, and it's going to open up. And then you can read it from here. Now, if you actually want to download it, then you can do that. All you have to do is just click on it. It's going to download, and then all you have to do is open it up. And there you go. There's your classroom syllabus. Now, most teachers are going to want you to go ahead and read through it with your parents, and you sign it as well as your parents, and then turn it in. So this might be something we have to do digitally. Just keep a heads up on that. Now, where to find your grades now? Again, you're going to find grades on the left side of the course. Just go ahead and click on it, and it's going to take you to a screen that looks like this. Again, there's a couple of different views that you can view your grades from. This is from one view. But anyway, you can kind of see there's one assignment here that's been graded. Again, 100 points out of 100. Now, the teacher is always going to leave a comment. So you did a good job. So whenever you see this little icon here, it means your teacher left a comment. Now, one thing that's very important and something that you pay attention to is actually all due dates and also the date when the course is going to close. So for example, using this assignment here, you see that the due date is on a Friday by 11:59 p.m., which means that you can still upload that assignment. Now, there's always going to be a cutoff. So that means once this assignment closes, you cannot upload anything. And that's how your dual credit classes are. These professors, they're very strict on turning in work. There's some professors who won't accept any late work. So that's why it's important that you're always paying attention to the due dates. It's important that you guys get the work done as soon as possible. Don't wait for the last minute to turn it in. Again, be responsible, get the work turned in on time, because once an assignment closes, that teacher or professor will not open it up and you'll get a 0. So again, be sure that you pay attention to those due dates and when a course closes. Anyway, that is how to use Canvas. Have a good day.